Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change display name on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to change display name on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to change display name on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to change display name on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing display name on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on button having three dots. Now click on settings. Click on account info. Now you are seeing display name. If you are willing to change it, click on edit button in front of display name, edit it and press on save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change display name on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.